Okay, we are programming a key for a Nissan Murano 2019. This is the original key that the customer has. This is the aftermarket key that we want to program. So, immobilizer. Okay. Turn the ignition on. Set. Nissan. It's made in North America. Looking for Murano. It's not a hybrid, it's a Murano 2019. Yes. Okay. Go through immobilizer, scan, turn the hazard on. Okay, we do as I said. Okay, hazard on. Open and close the driver's door. We turn on the ignition to pressing the start button. Okay. Okay. That's it. The scan is complete. So we go straightly to add key and then start getting the pin. We have internet connection now. Okay. Procedure, press push button, ignition, switch for 2 seconds or more. One, two, three. Yes. Off and wait for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Press it. It's working. Yes. There's the next one. Yes. Off and wait for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Press it with the new key and it works normally. No. Turn off the ignition and wait for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 2, 3. Okay. Touch the first learn smart key on the saw in 5 seconds, and the instrument will automatically. Okay. Turn off for 3 seconds. Okay. Door once, click the unlock and lock key once, start the engine. Okay, this is the new key. It works. Okay, it's working good. Program the next key, this one. It's working also. It's the key that they already had and was working. And then this is the key that they had and was not working. It's still not working. So I want to try and see okay, let's see if they both work. This one works and this one works. I want to try and see if the keys, all of them, turn the vehicle on. So I leave them a bit further. Leave them right here. So they're far enough. It's the new key that we just programmed. I want to try if it turns the vehicle on. It does work on the doors. It turns the engine on. So this one is good. We just switch it with another one. Gonna try each key. This one first. I think this one was the one that didn't work. The remote didn't work, so correct, the remote still doesn't work. So when the remote doesn't work, you have to turn the vehicle on like this. It still works, as there is a problem probably with the battery. Everything works. Okay. We're gonna try the last key. This one was working already with the doors. Still the remote works, and you can just leave it anywhere and turn the engine on. So we are good to go. Okay, we are done here. Now we just need to go and cut the emergency key. Thanks for watching. Until the next video, don't forget to like and subscribe.